Welcome to Rob Talks. Thank you for supporting our channel. Here's the translation from the Mayan calendar for December 2nd, 2025. Now let's explore what all three Mayan calendars have to say. First up is the long count calendar, which is being represented by 13 Baktun, 0 Katun, 12 Tun, 19 Uinal, and the 3 Kin. Having passed the recent purification and threshold energies, today carries the subtle but steady settling of clarity into daily life. The long count invites you to embody lessons that surfaced during the recent shift and to let the emerging rhythm guide small, practical choices. The 3 Kin is about the phase just after a liminal threshold. Now clarity is settling and new rhythms are forming. You're being asked to notice the small, realigned impulses that arrive now, as they currently matter, and to keep your attention on heart-led priorities rather than distractions. This is the time to turn insights into one concrete habit or action, and to rest when invited, as integration happens in the quiet spaces. Before I move on to the Tzolk'in calendar, I'm also translating the entire Tzolk'in 13-day cycle in its own video. If you're interested, I'll link it at the end of this one. Today's Tzolk'in date is 6OK. OK is represented by the dog. It's the heart companion, of loyalty, trustworthy devotion, and heart guidance. The number 6 brings stability and the movement of care into form. Today's energy supports honoring commitments, especially the ones to yourself, repairing relationships, and acting from a place of reliable, steady love. Your heart is the compass. Loyalty today looks like consistent small acts of care to yourself and others. Speak gently and act reliably. Remember, authentic devotion will strengthen your path. You're being asked to do one kind, reliable thing for someone and to spend time with a trusted friend, pet, or in nature. This is also a day to revisit a promise you made to yourself or another and ask, does it still reflect your truth? Now, let's see what the Hob calendar has to say. Today's date is 18 Wo. Wo continues building the early year framework. Day 18 refines the structure by smoothing edges, aligning details, and making subtle course corrections so your emerging patterns can hold long term. This day supports practical adjustments and small reorganizations that produce stability. The energetic scaffolding is being tuned. This is a time when your life can become simpler and more supportive of the growth you intend. Wo asks of you to tidy one area that affects your daily flow, whether that be a desk, bedside table, or a planner. This is the time to adjust a routine so it feels effortless rather than forced, and to make a short checklist for the week that honors both commitments and rest. Now let's look at what the collective message is from all three calendars. All the calendars reflect the theme of steady, heart-led integration. The pulse today leans towards restoring trust, honoring commitments, and translating recent revelations into dependable practices. We are being nudged to repair small cracks in relationships with humility and care, and to choose reliability over flash commitments. This is also the time to build structures that reflect inner clarity, the kind that lasts. Today is an invitation to be faithful to your own inner life. You don't need a dramatic overhaul, but rather simply choose one thing that reflects your deepest values and do it consistently. Your next chapter is written in repeated kind actions. Here is an affirmation reflecting today's calendars, but please first remember to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to help us grow. Thank you. Now here's the affirmation. I act from the heart. I honor my commitments with gentle consistency and clear priorities. Thank you all for your support.